All right. Find the values of the variables in the parallelogram. Well, we really just need to find x, y, and z. So let's talk about it. First, let's do z. Z is going to be equal to, since it's a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So z is going to be 96 degrees too. Great. Nicely done. Okay. Now, y is going to be 180 minus the sum of the other two, because it's a triangle, so it's got to add up to 180. So we can say 31 plus 96, which is the same as 180 minus, what would that be, 127? Which would then equal, let's see, 53? Seems about right to me. And then, of course, we can do x equals, and we know that, remember, because this is a parallel lines cut by a transversal, we have alternate interior angles congruent. So we know that y and that angle up there are the same. So that angle up there, since y is 53, then that must also be 53. Okay? And hey, what do you know? Same thing with x. Since alternate interior angles are congruent, boom, we know that x must be 31 degrees. And then just to verify, we say that z is 96 and x is 31, and that other 53 degree angle, let's add them up. We get 0, carry the 1, 180. So they sum to 180, and so we're good.